In a dim maritime museum, a corroded lantern rests where the cold sea seems to whisper of battles long past and favors the restless dead. Curators note its light sometimes flickers at midnight, casting ghostly crewmen along the wall as if the ship's crew were still waiting for orders. A historian reveals that 3 wrecks nearby changed course after the lantern's flame burned, steering ships toward danger and doom, sparking rumors of a cursed beacon. Visitors report chilling drafts and the scent of salt and oil when the lamp glows, though no flame remains. The artifact's dark history suggests the lantern didn't just witness history, but carved it in the bloodline of sailors and siren lore alike.